Do you need an upholstery sewing machine but don't know which model is best for your application? Let us tell you from my experience which is the best and most suitable machine mode. When it comes to choosing the best sewing machine for upholstery, it is important to consider a few factors. The most important factor is the type of fabric you will be working with. Upholstery fabrics can be quite thick and heavy, so you will need a machine with a powerful motor. A heavy-duty machine with a metal frame is ideal. Another important factor is the size of the machine. Upholstery projects can be quite large, so you will need a machine that can handle larger pieces of fabric. Some machines have extra large sewing beds that can accommodate large projects. Finally, you will need to consider the features of the machine. A good machine for upholstery should have a variety of stitch options, including a zigzag stitch. It should also have an adjustable needle position, so you can sew in tight corners and curves. Here are the most common machine models. Number 1 DU1181NH from Juki brand. Number 2 LU1506NHA from Juki brand. Number 3 LU1508H from Juki brand. Number 4 FAF1245 single and 2 needle machine. Number 5 FOXSEW model No. FX868. If you need any guidance about the upholstery business startup, visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Link in the description. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.